Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to change the color of your line art in Adobe Photoshop, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to get it done. So let's climb in. The first thing you're going to do is jump up into Layer. We're going to open this up and we're going to look for New Fill Layer, and you're going to want to add a solid color. Now from here you are going to choose color, and you're going to choose the color that you're looking for. Now let's go in and say we want red. Once you click on OK, you will find that your color picker will come up. So now you can adjust the exact color that you want. Let's stick with this color, and that's fantastic. The next thing you're going to do is go down on the right hand side of your screen to normal, where it says normal. This is your layers, and you're going to scroll through here and see which layer blend works best. Okay, now most of the time lighten and screen, they're probably the better options, and once you select it, you've now changed the color of the line work in this image.